Sunday, September 8th, 2024. 23rd Sunday in Ordinary Time. Day of Social Apostolate. Focus. His ears were opened, his tongue was released, and he spoke plainly. This healing is beautiful and at the same time unique and strange. Why did Jesus put his fingers in the man's ears and touch his tongue? Jesus singled out those parts of the body that had kept the man trapped in isolation. Jesus entered into his filth and healed him. He thus brought life and meaning back to the man. So also, the Lord enters into the filth of our lives and transforms us. He comes into our sin so that in him we become righteous. God is so passionate about each one of us that he humbles himself to enter in our wounded, messy lives to offer his healing and salvation. It is our Ephatha moment, which is Aramaic to be opened. I too need such an Ephatha moment in my life, when my heart is engulfed with sin. I am sometimes deaf to God's work or blind to his glory. I choose to be dumb and refuse to acknowledge or proclaim his word. I need the grace of an Ephatha moment so that my life can be transformed. Amazingly, it is mine for the asking whenever I partake of the Holy Eucharist. My heart is opened and Jesus can set me free. Fruit. I will recognize and surrender to the Lord the areas of blindness, deafness and dumbness in my life. Only he can release me.